It's a lot of food for 270 milligrams of sodium. We are looking forward to some blueberry pancakes this morning. Smucker's has a strawberry syrup. They also have a blueberry syrup. It's pretty dadgum good, but grandson and great-grandson were here about a month ago, and oh boy, they really liked it. Today, Johnny and I are going to have pure maple syrup on ours because we like it on there too. There's only 10 milligrams of sodium in a quarter cup. There's no sodium in the Smucker's. I'm going to sift into the bowl 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of white sugar, and a tablespoon of Hain Featherweight baking powder, sodium-free, Amazon or Healthy Heart Market. Sift this together. Make a little hole in the center. We have 1 3/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Could whisk it together. I'm using frozen blueberries today. Got a little over a cup in here. Subscribe to my channel, and every Friday you'll get a low sodium video. My grill is set about 350 degrees. You can use a frying pan. I like the avocado oil spray. Put it on here. Do my pancakes. You can use any of the pan, any of the non-stick that don't have any sodium. Or you can get the oils and use your little brush. Put them on there. So we're just going to start making pancakes. We're going to cook these until the bubbles start to break on the top. Flip them over and do the other side. Per serving, the only thing in our pancakes that has sodium is the milk and the egg. It comes up to 270 milligrams of sodium. We have 24 pancakes. They're less than 12 milligrams apiece. Pancakes are minimum of 3 inches in diameter. Some go for a little bit more than that. You don't want to worry about having leftovers because you'll eat these within about 2 or 3 days. And you can freeze them in a plastic bag with waxed paper separating them. Just take them off, throw them in your toaster, and you got great, quick breakfast snack whenever you want them. It's a lot of food for 270 milligrams of sodium.